National Electrical Code Section 314.20 Grounding of Device Enclosures Part A Receptacles installed in non-metallic outlet boxes states that where a receptacle is installed in a non-metallic outlet box, the box shall be grounded, and a grounding contact shall be provided for grounding the yoke of the receptacle. The grounding contact on the receptacle shall be connected to the grounding conductor of the circuit. This code section mandates a grounding contact for the receptacle yoke when installed in a non-metallic box. This contact connects to the circuit's grounding conductor, creating a reliable path to ground. When a metal plate cover is installed over a plastic box, the receptacle's grounding contact should still connect to the grounding conductor, grounding the yoke. However, an ungrounded metal plate cover may not provide adequate grounding. Therefore, installing a ground clip on the metal plate cover is recommended for a proper ground connection, ensuring compliance with the National Electrical Code. Branding is a critical safety measure in electrical systems. Its primary purpose is to provide a low impedance path for fault current to return to the source, facilitating the quick operation of overcurrent protective devices such as circuit breakers or fuses. This rapid response minimizes the duration of a fault, reducing the risk of electrical shock, fire, and equipment damage. Proper grounding ensures that exposed metallic parts of electrical equipment are near ground potential. This minimizes the voltage difference between these parts and the earth, reducing the likelihood of electric shock if a person comes into contact with them. Grounding also helps to stabilize voltage levels within the electrical system. By providing a reference point, it prevents voltage fluctuations and transient voltages that can damage sensitive electronic equipment. Furthermore, grounding reduces electromagnetic interference (EMI), which can disrupt the operation of electronic devices. A properly grounded system minimizes the generation and propagation of EMI, improving the reliability of electronic equipment. The National Electrical Code (NEC) provides comprehensive guidelines for grounding electrical systems. Adhering to these guidelines is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical installations. Section 314.20 of the National Electrical Code specifically addresses the grounding of device enclosures. This section provides detailed requirements for grounding metal boxes, non-metallic boxes, and other types of enclosures. It emphasizes the importance of providing a reliable ground path for all electrical equipment. When installing receptacles in non-metallic outlet boxes, the National Electrical Code requires that the box be grounded. This is typically achieved by connecting a grounding conductor to a grounding terminal inside the box. The grounding conductor is then connected to the grounding electrode system, which consists of ground rods, ground plates, or other approved grounding electrodes. The grounding electrode system provides a direct connection to the earth, ensuring a low impedance path for fault current. In addition to grounding the box, the National Electrical Code also requires that a grounding contact be provided for grounding the yoke of the receptacle. The yoke is the metal frame of the receptacle that supports the electrical contacts. The grounding contactor in the receptacle must be connected to the grounding conductor of the circuit. This ensures that the yoke is at ground potential, reducing the risk of electric shock. When a metal plate cover is installed over a plastic box, the grounding requirements become more complex. While the grounding contact on the receptacle provides a ground path through the yoke, the metal plate cover itself may not be properly grounded. If the metal plate cover is not grounded, it can become energized if a fault occurs. This can create a shock hazard if a person comes into contact with the metal plate cover. To address this issue, it is recommended to install a ground clip on the metal plate cover. The ground clip provides a direct connection between the metal plate cover and the grounding conductor. This ensures that the metal plate cover is at ground potential, reducing the risk of electric shock. The ground clip should be securely fastened to the metal plate cover and the grounding conductor. It is important to use a ground clip that is specifically designed for this purpose. The ground clip should be made of a conductive material such as copper or aluminum. It should also be listed by a recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories, AL. When installing a ground clip, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions. The instructions will provide detailed information on how to properly install the ground clip. It is also important to ensure that the grounding conductor is properly sized. The size of the grounding conductor must be sufficient to carry the fault current. The National Electrical Code provides tables that specify the minimum size of grounding conductors based on the size of the circuit conductors. In addition to installing a ground clip, it is also important to inspect the metal plate cover for any signs of damage. If the metal plate cover is damaged, it should be replaced immediately. A damaged metal plate cover can compromise the grounding system and create a shock hazard. It is also important to ensure that the metal plate cover is properly fastened to the plastic box. If the metal plate cover is not properly fastened, it can become loose and create a gap between the metal plate cover and the plastic box. This gap can reduce the effectiveness of the grounding system. When working with electrical systems, it is always important to take precautions to protect yourself from electric shock. Always turn off the power to the circuit before working on it. Use insulated tools and wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as rubber gloves and safety glasses. If you are not comfortable working with electrical systems, it is best to hire a qualified electrician. An electrician has the knowledge and experience to safely install and maintain electrical systems. They can also ensure that the electrical system complies with all applicable codes and regulations. The proper grounding of electrical systems is essential for ensuring the safety of people and property. By following the guidelines in the National Electrical Code and taking appropriate precautions, you can minimize the risk of electric shock, fire, and equipment damage. Remember that even if a receptacle is properly grounded through its hook, the metal plate cover over a plastic box may not be adequately grounded. Installing a ground clip provides an additional layer of protection, ensuring that the metal plate cover is also at ground potential. This is especially important in environments where there is a high risk of electrical shock, such as damp or wet locations. In summary, grounding a metal plate cover over a plastic box involves several key steps. Firstly, ensure the receptacle within the plastic box is properly grounded according to National Electrical Code Section 314.20. This involves connecting the receptacle's grounding contact to the circuit's grounding conductor. Secondly, recognize that the metal plate cover itself may not be adequately grounded simply by being in contact with the grounded receptacle yoke. Thirdly, install a ground clip to create a direct connection between the metal plate cover and the grounding conductor. This ensures that the metal plate cover is at ground potential, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Fourthly, select a ground clip that is specifically designed for this purpose, made of a conductive material, and listed by a recognized testing laboratory. Fifthly, follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing the ground clip, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. Sixthly, verify that the grounding conductor is properly sized according to the National Electrical Code tables. Seventhly, inspect the metal plate cover for any damage and replace it if necessary. Eighthly, ensure that the metal plate cover is securely fastened to the plastic box. Ninthly, always to energize the circuit before working on it and use appropriate personal protective equipment. Tenthly, if you are not comfortable performing electrical work, hire a qualified electrician to ensure that the installation is safe and compliant with all applicable codes and regulations. By following these steps, you can ensure that the metal plate cover over a plastic box is properly grounded, providing a safe and reliable electrical installation. Grounding is a fundamental principle of electrical safety, and it is important to understand the requirements and best practices for grounding electrical systems. The National Electrical Code provides comprehensive guidance on grounding, and it is essential to adhere to these guidelines to ensure the safety of people and property.